Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook a quick lunch. Braised pork shoulder with winter melon. This portion is for 3 serving. I have 250 grams of pork shoulder cut into thin slices, 350 grams of winter melon cut into bite size. For the winter melon, I'm using this big type of winter melon. When I go to the market, I always ask them to cut for me just a small amount, enough for 1 or 2 times cooking. 100 grams of carrot cut into bite size, 2 stalks of spring onion cut into 1 inch length, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Ingredients are all ready. I like to start off with marinating the pork shoulder. We'll put the pork shoulder onto a bigger plate. Put half of the pepper, all of the light soy sauce, pork shoulder is marinated. Now we can go and cook it. Switch on the heat. Pour in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Oil is getting hot. I'm putting in garlic. We are frying the garlic until fragrant and crispy. This will take around 2 minutes. Garlic is ready. I'm switching off the heat first. Remove some of the fried garlic and put aside. And I have left some in the pan. Switch on the heat again. Now I'm putting in the meat. Going to stir fry the meat. Put in the carrot and also winter melon. All these 3 ingredients will take about the same time to cook, so we put all of them together. Put in the balance of the pepper, sesame oil, oyster sauce. Put in just a bit of water, about 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. Cover the lid and let it simmer in the pot for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 10 minutes, you're gonna check on the winter melon if it's soft. Not yet completely soft, but it's okay. I'm just going to continue to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, everything should be cooked. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this braised pork with winter melon, it's already delicious. And we have one more ingredient which I have forgotten just now. This is 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour with 3 tablespoons of water. So we're going to use this flour solution to thicken the gravy. I'm just going to put in just a little bit. Give it a stir. We want to have a slightly thicker sauce for braised pork. And now I am putting in all the spring onions. Switch off the heat. Put in half of the fried garlic. Give it a mix. There you have lovely braised pork shoulder with winter melon. This is best served immediately once it's cooked, so I'm going to dish out and serve. Let's eat. Wow, delicious. The pork shoulder is soft and tender. Winter melon is fragrant and very soft, and the gravy is very flavorful. It has a nice fragrance of fried garlic and the spring onions. When have it with rice, it's so delicious. It is simple and fast to cook, and most importantly, it's delicious. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.